Hello students, welcome to Ekadantaya classes. Please like it, share it, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe it. In this session we are dealing with 10th class science subject, that is periodic classification of elements. This chapter includes early attempts at the classification of elements. Bernoulli's triads. Newlin's law of octaves. Mendeleev's periodic table. Achievements. Limitations. The modern periodic table. Position of elements and trends. Elements. Substances containing atoms of only one type. Example. NAD.O.Mg etc. There are around 118 elements known to us. Bernoulli's trades. When the elements were written in order of increasing atomic masses, the atomic mass of the middle was the average of the atomic mass of the other two elements. Example. Elements. Atomic mass. Thi. 40.1. Sr. 87.6. Ba. 136.3. Limitations. Only 3 triads were recognized from the elements known at that time. Atomic mass of an element is the relative mass of its atom as compared with the mass of a carbon-12 atom taken as 12 units. Newlin's law of octaves. Based on increasing atomic mass of elements. When elements are arranged, it was found that every 8th element had properties similar to that of the first. Example, properties of sodium and lithium are the same. Limitations. Applicable only up to calcium. Properties of new elements couldn't fit in it. In some cases, properties of the elements were not same as defined by octave. Worked well only with lighter elements. Atomic masses increase as we move from left to right. Mendeleev's periodic law. The properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic mass. Mendeleev's periodic table, based on the chemical properties of elements, contain 8 vertical columns called groups and 7 horizontal rows called periods, form Mendeleev's periodic table. Achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. Elements with similar properties could be grouped together. Some gaps were left for the undiscovered elements. Noble gases could be placed without disturbing the existing order. Limitations. No fixed position for hydrogen. No place for isotopes. No regular trend in atomic mass. Modern periodic table. Properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. Atomic number. Denoted by Z and equals to the no. Of protons in the nucleus of an atom. Modern periodic table contains 18 vertical columns known as groups and 7 horizontal rows known as periods. Elements in a group have valence electrons. No. Of the shells increases as we go down the group. Elements in a period have same number of shells. Each period marks a new electronic shell getting filled. No. Of elements placed in a particular period depends upon the fact that how electrons are filled into various shells. Maximum no. Of electrons that can be accommodated in a shell depend on the formula 2n2, where n is the no of the given shell. K shell, 2 multiply 1 2 equal 2 elements in the first period. L shell, 2 multiply 2 2 equal 8 elements in the second period. Position of the element in the periodic table tells about its reactivity. This is a modern periodic table. Trends in the modern periodic table. Atomic radii and ionic radii increases as we move from up to down. Atomic radii and ionic radii decreases as we move from left to right. Electron affinity, ionization energy and electronegativity decreases as we move from up to down. Electron affinity, ionization energy and electronegativity increases as we move from left to right. Valency. No. Of valence electrons present in the outermost shells. Atomic size. Atomic size refers to radius of an atom. Atomic size or radius decreases in moving from left to right along a period due to increase in nuclear charge. Atomic size increases down the group because new shells are being added as we go down the group. Metallic character. Metallic character means the tendency of an atom to lose electrons. Metallic character decreases across a period because the effective nuclear charge increases. That means the tendency to lose electrons decreases. Metals are electropositive as they tend to lose electrons while forming bonds. Metallic character increases as we go down a group as the effective nuclear charge is decreasing. Non-metals are electronegative. They tend to form bonds by gaining electrons. Metals are found on the left side of the period table while non-metals are towards the right-hand side of the periodic table. In the middle we have semi-metals or metalloid because they exhibit some properties of both metals and non-metals. Oxides of metals are basic in nature while oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature. Gradation in periodic properties. Property atomic size variation across period decreases reason due to increase in nuclear charge variation along group increases reason due to addition of new shells. Due to increase in distance between outermost electron and nucleus. Property metallic character variation across period decreases reason due to increase in effective nuclear charge tendency to lose valence electrons decreases. Variation along group increases reason due to decrease in effective nuclear charge tendency to lose valence electrons increases. Property non-metallic character variation across period increases reason due to increase in effective nuclear charge tendency to gain electrons increases. Variation along group decreases reason due to decrease in effective nuclear charge tendency to gain electron decreases. Thanks for watching. Please like it, share it and subscribe it for more interesting videos.